In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Kona key fob. This key fob was used from 2018 all the way up to present day 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can change this battery very simply at home. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to buy one online, I've left a link down in the description to get it on Amazon. It's just a few dollars. And then we can start. So turn the key fob over, find this little latch, and push that down to remove your internal key. Inside, we can see the keyhole that the key just came from and then a slot right next to it. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that slot, and twist, and the two halves of the key fob should begin to come apart. You can just work your way down that opening with your tool, twisting. Careful not to do what I did and scratch inside. So you can just gently twist, pull it apart with your fingers, set this to the side right now. And now to remove this battery, you can just push on it with your finger or use your tool to get it all the way out. Now take a new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side with the text is facing up, and insert it back into this area, just like that, pushing it all the way down into place. All that's left to do is connect the two halves of the key fob back together. You can see that the light is working, meaning your battery has juice and you're good to go. And that's really all it takes. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the YouTube description to go to fobbattery.com and see the entire guide on the Hyundai Kona. Thank you for watching.